case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a case that delved into the complexities of tax treatment for certain intangible assets, Recovery Group Inc. came up against the United States Tax Court. The decision made in this case was not just pivotal for this multinational company, but could have potential implications for corporations worldwide. Here's the backstory. Recovery Group, during the acquisition of a portion of a company's stock, established a covenant not to compete. The tax court found this covenant an amortizable Section 197 intangible for tax purposes. This designation meant that it would be subject to a 15-year period of amortization, a move aimed at simplifying tax laws around certain intangibles. However, Recovery Group was not in agreement with this interpretation. Consequently, they appealed against the decision, insisting the tax court erred in interpreting thereof, a term crucial to their case. Undaunted by the legal battle, Recovery Group focused on how the Internal Revenue Code, I.R.C. Section 197, D.1.E., was applied in relation to stock acquisitions. Their argument, this provision should only apply to substantial acquisitions. The court, however, found Recovery Group's argument unsatisfactory. Instead, the court decreed that the provision applied to all stock acquisitions, not just the substantial ones. The reasoning was consistent with the aim of I.R.C. to minimize litigation and streamline the laws regarding amortization of intangibles. To add an extra layer of complexity, the covenant that Recovery Group entered into, which was tied to the redemption of 23% of its stock, was deemed a Section 197 intangible. Subject to I.R.C. Section 197A, it fell under a 15-year amortization period. The court solidified the tax deficiency decision of the tax court, given that Recovery Group had not claimed any exception. At the end of the day, Recovery Group's appeal was in vain, and the tax court's decision stood firm.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.